First of all, ignore the missing nail. But yeah, anyways, hi hoes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. So in today's video, I'm doing something unique, something special. I've never done it in my channel before, doing a makeup look. Okay, so I'm gonna do a makeup look that is suitable for holidays, even though none of us are gonna go out because this corona still exists. But you can still go to like small gathering or Zoom calls, I don't know. Anyways, but I'm still gonna do a makeup look to show you guys how to look the baddest of the baddest of you in the holidays. Okay, so first thing first I'm gonna do is the eyebrows, which I usually do off camera, and then I'm gonna be right back to do the eyes. My eyebrows today, they look hideous, but whatever. Also, we have a new family member here. Everyone, please make her feel welcomed. Her name is Felicia, and I think she's gonna stay with us for a couple of days. So, you know, we gotta show her some love. We gotta show her some love and support. Okay, whatever. Anyways, now moving on to the eyes. I already put duct tapes because I want my eyeshadow to be as sharp, not as sharp, but like clean. So now I'm gonna start prepping my eyes using my X Professional. So the first color I'm gonna use is from this palette. This is the Revolution Velvet Reloaded Velvet Rose, and I'm grabbing this brown and a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna put this all over my eyelids, like just the tiniest bit, you know. And this is gonna be our transition color. Is that what they say? Transition? Really don't know. So I'm using this brush, by the way. Okay, so I'm going back with the same color and deepen the color a little bit because she's barely there. You can barely see her. Okay, now in a smaller brush, I'm using this Clara Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm grabbing Sweet Tea color with the tiniest bit of redwood, just like the tiniest bit, and I'm gonna focus these two colors on the outer portion or the outer corners of my eyes. Okay, now things are gonna get a little bit weird. Okay, now using, oh, this is embarrassing. Now using the same eyeshadow palette, I'm grabbing this dark gray color on an angled brush, and I'm somehow gonna draw like a wing eyeliner on with it. Okay, actually I'm going back with this now, and I'm just using the tiniest bit, and I'm going not exactly cut my crease, but something similar to it, just like that. So once we put the glitter, it sticks. Okay, now the glitter part, I'm using this NYX foil play and French macaron, and I'm using a flat brush for this. Excuse me, never mind. Okay, so I removed the tape, and this is how it looks like. Honestly, the makeup look is so easy and simple. I feel like anyone could do it. Like, I could do it, my sister could do it, my mom could do it, you could do it, whoever is watching this. Anyways, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back when both of the eyes are ready. I'm back, y'all. With both of the eyes done. I know I look crazy right now, but trust me, once I put lashes and finish the rest of my makeup, it will look good. Okay, now I'm gonna take a break from my eyes and move on to my face. Before starting putting any foundation, concealer, whatever, I like to prep it. First, I'm gonna start with moisturizing it. I'm using Your Good Skin Moisturizer as first, like, base. First base? What? Anyways, I'm just gonna massage this shit all over this thing all over my face. Okay, now for the primer, I'm using this BYS face primer. It is for oily skin. So I'm just gonna put this on my oily areas, which is my nose and my chin, and a little bit on this area. And I'm gonna massage it into my skin. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit on my face a little bit, let my skin absorb the product. And I'm actually happy with how my skin looks like. I'm gonna skip foundation and I'm gonna jump straight to the concealer. Okay, now for the concealer part, I'm using this NYX Conceal Correct Contour Palette, and I'm using this shade, the second one over here, and mixing it a little bit with this, at the bottom one, and I'm gonna put them in these areas, which is underneath my eyes in this way. And then tiny bit on my forehead, like this, on my chin, this area, and the tip of my nose, like doing a exclamation point, and yeah, around my nose. Okay, now for the next step is powdering. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm just gonna powder my nose. Setting spray that the lid is missing, and I probably had this for like 2 years now, so love me for that. No. Ugh, I love being a beauty guru. That's my thing. James Charles who? Hindash who the beauty who? Okay, now moving back to the eyes. I'm gonna finish the rest of the eyes now. Okay, now I'm gonna put okay, so I'm gonna put mascara and lashes. Yeah, oh my god. Now for the mascara, I will be using this Essence Princess Lash. This is the false lash effect mascara, and I'm gonna put 2 coats on each eye. So I'm back with both lashes on. By the way, I tried to do the cat eye inner corner, keyword tried. We're not gonna talk about it. Anyways, moving on, I'm using this palette again and grabbing this shade, and I'm gonna put this on my bottom lashes. That looks kind of crazy. And then the tiniest bit, and when I mean the tiniest bit, I mean it. Ollie. I'm gonna focus this only in this area, like this. Kind of smoking it out. And by the way, I know this is so random, but am I the only one who doesn't like to put mascara at the bottom of my lashes? Because I don't know, putting mascara at the bottom of my lashes always makes it look weird for some unknown reason. Okay, so put small tiny studs underneath my eyes because it looks cute. And now moving on to the rest of my face, all I have left is bronzing and blush, and I'm done with the face. And then lips. Okay, for bronzer, I'm using this Topshop bronzer and Pecan, and I'm gonna blend. Maybe I put way too much. Maybe. Okay, now I'm using the same bronzer, and in an angled brush, I'm gonna start contouring my nose to make her a skinny legend. So first, I start from here, and I start blending it downwards. So connecting, like starting from my eyebrow or eyebrow bone, I think that's what you call it, to the tip of my nose in a straight line, and I keep on blending this shit because we don't want no harsh ends. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Okay, and whatever remaining on the brush, I'm gonna draw a kind of like a circle on my nose, like the tip of my nose, to have the button nose effect. Okay, now my favorite part, blush. I'm using this Sabaya blush from Mikyaji in 04. And by the way, I saw this from my mom, so hi mommy if you're watching this. And I'm gonna put it in this area. I'm gonna go ham on the blush. I don't care what y'all say, I love blush so much, you guys don't even know. And then on my tip of my nose, just like that. And then on my chin. Okay, for lip gloss, I'm using this NYX Professional Makeup Strictly Vanilla Lip Gloss in Sugar Mama. I'm gonna put the tiniest bit on my lip. Anyways, hoes, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, this makeup look is so simple and so easy. I feel like anyone could do it. So yeah, all you have to do is keep on blending and trust yourself and trust the process, and you'll be good, baby girl. Haha. Ew. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, first of all, go subscribe to my channel. Do it now. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah. Also, don't forget to follow my social media, which is going to be in the description box down below, as well as the makeup products that I used in this video. Yeah. Happy holidays. Hope you guys stay safe, and I love every single one of you. Bye.